My name is Camille and I'm from Australia, and my startup is ACTA, the Australasian Circular Textile Association.
What do you do exactly?
So it's a national body association to support the fashion industry in transitioning from a linear take, make, waste model to full circularity. So we encompass a lot of sort of directional tools around new resources, education platforms, particularly a textile take-back program, and addressing textile waste. So we're the facilitator and the aggregator to help join the dots to save industry and all vertical supply chain that's connected with fashion industry, then save them time and money to facilitate sustainability.
Wow, that sounds super exciting. So you presented yesterday, didn't you? How did that go?
Yes, presented yesterday, one of the last presentations of the afternoon actually, and quite pleased to be in the afternoon. It was fantastic, a great experience, somewhat nerve-wracking as you can imagine, but got through within the 5 minutes, and it was a really good feedback from the judges, thankfully.
So tell us about your journey with ClimateLaunchpad. How has it been? How do you find the whole experience?
Really, really interesting and really good question. It was obviously quite unknown in the first stages of when going from boot camp and then to the next progression and stage, as you always don't know where you place and how far other competitors come along. And we had a strong team in Australia, the last 8 sort of competing nationally to come to the global finals. It was terrific to be able to have Hans as our mentor through our boot camp. And I kept in touch with him in lead up to coming to the global finals to get that sort of insight to best understand how I can present compared to the other 135. It has accelerated the opportunity for where we're taking the action and the stance to be able to build the association and engage with real life members in real time. So all in all, I think it's been an incredible experience to further engage my knowledge and best grow at a faster rate in the right format as best as possible.
What would you say is the most valuable tip or piece of advice you got from one of the trainers here?
Know your customer market and definitely put yourself in their head, what's in it for them, or why would they engage with you, or why they would become members of our association. I'd say that's definitely one of the strongest points, is to refine your business model to best address their needs and best understand where you're placed in the market and what you're offering. Be very, very clear on your product offering and service, and particularly, and this may be to suit Climate Launchpad, but have your story well refined and engage people for the right reasons. So I'm talking about fashion. I can relate to people who say, well, who's shopped with H&M? Did you know they have an impact on the globe, and you potentially can have an impact there as well? So relating to your audience, and they may be from the high-level experts that you need in your association, and they may be the consumer who are the other end of the market.
Thank you very much.